guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, become a part of the K squad. As you guys know, like, if you guys been following my channel, like, if you guys been subscribed for a minute, if you guys know, like, I've been working on this clothing brand called Paidgirl. Yeah, pretty and paid. Yeah, big bags over here. So I've been working on this clothing brand for a minute, and I've been trying to like take you guys with me, but I didn't have to take a break to, like, you know what I'm saying, really like get in that bag and try to, like, you know what I'm saying, trial and error. I'm going to tell you guys everything, like down to like contacting these vendors, what I be doing, and like mistakes I made, all of that good stuff. But we're gonna get into that a little later on. Like right now, this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my loungewear sets. I'm going to be trying them on for you guys. So they are now available in the description box below. If you do want to support, if you do want to get you a set, go ahead and do that. Thank you very much. Use code I might just do use code use code YouTube for 20% off for this video only. That's only when you watch this video. Like, that's only for you guys, you know what I'm saying. Use code YouTube for 20% off your order or whatever. So I'm gonna try on our new loungewear sets. It's giving skims. We do have sizes small to extra large, 2 colors, guys, black and pink. So yeah, I think I'm gonna try on the pink first, and then I'm gonna do the black. I'm gonna show you guys like up close and personal the material and all that good stuff. So let's get into it. Yeah, up the glizzy on them. Look, I think I'm a shooter. I'm a runner real bad. Okay, y'all, so this is up close and personal of the logos. We're going to talk about that a little later in other videos where I talk about trial and errors and do's and don'ts and stuff like that. So as you guys can see, this is the short set. This is the bottoms of the pink pair. So the material, it is very nice. It's very breathable. This is a size medium, guys, of course. I'm in a medium now. Yeah, I'm not in a large. I'm in a medium. So yeah, so this is the front and this is the back. I am loving it or whatever. I love the quality. This stretch, it is very breathable. The band, the quality is amazing. I actually love this vendor. I really love them. The logo is actually embroidered on there. I did not want to do the tag or whatever. I kind of did want to do the tag, but I didn't do it. Okay, so this is a top. This is the top. It says pretty paid girl. It's also embroidered on there as well. So this is a full shirt. It is not cropped, and I'm glad I didn't get it cropped because it already looks cropped low-key. If you guys look at it, it already looks cropped, but it's just like just small. Like, it is a medium. It's supposed to be a medium. Yeah, it's a medium or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna try her on. It's giving bad bitch, like it's giving bad bitch. But yeah, y'all, so this is how it looks. This is a size medium that I'm in. Y'all see my little stomach or whatever, but if you got a flat stomach, it ain't gonna look like mine. Yeah, but this is how it looks. I hope you guys can see. Like, I'm just gonna come up close and personal and show you guys, like, focus. Like, it is really pretty. Like, the quality is amazing, guys. I'm just gonna back out the frame for you. So the logo is here. This is how hold on, let me make sure the aligning with the, you know, hope it's not really see-through, but y'all might see my little panty line on my drawers or whatever. From the side, this is how we looking. What's flying around here? But this is the side view. This is how we're looking. Yeah, loungewear sets. This is the pink. I'm feeling myself. You can't tell me I ain't poking. Huh? They be the girls that take the pictures like this for me. I ain't trying to be raunchy on her. Hood rat ghetto, but yeah, it's so breathable. It's so like Yeah, like I love it. Like y'all can see the excitement in my face. Like it's giving model. I did model my own clothes, guys, but we're gonna get into that video a little later. But yeah, so this is the pink set, and I'm gonna show you guys the black one. Yeah. Okay, guys, before I try it on, I'm gonna show you guys the quality of the black. You guys can see this black is actually lighter than the black, so it can pop on the band. It's actually lighter than the black on the band, so it's the same material, same setup. Let me show you guys the top. Same thing, same thing, same thing, same thing, just in black. Yes. Okay, guys, so this is the black or whatever. Y'all see her. Y'all. I'm excited. Like, y'all don't know. Like, y'all, if you ain't gonna be hype about nothing, listen, whatever you do, be hype. Put your all into it. You know what I'm saying? Y'all got on the sports bra. I ain't got on the regular bra, so we ain't seeing pretty today. You know? But this is how it looks or whatever. Like, y'all, if y'all start a clothing brand, y'all should be just as excited how I am. Like, you know what I'm saying? Boast your own. Sheesh. Boast it like never before. If you ain't gonna hype yourself, who else gonna hype you? If you don't hype yourself, who else gonna hype you? Duh. Boast yourself. Yeah. But this is the black. Let me show you guys the black or whatever. Hood rat ghetto, y'all. Let me stop. But for real, y'all, this is what we're giving. I really love it. Like, it's not really giving like half shirt like I really thought. Like, I really thought it was gonna be like up here, which I was not gonna like, but it's really giving. You can see the logo or whatever. I'm gonna show you guys, like, you know what I'm saying, how it goes down, how it looks. If y'all bodying more than my body, then y'all know y'all shape finna be out of control. This is a medium. I'm about 150, so this is a medium. I'm telling you guys this so you guys know, like, if you guys do want to place an order, y'all know, like, y'all sizes, like, you know what I'm saying, how y'all, like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. This is the side. I had to do it. I had to do a little one cheek, two cheek. Yeah. But yeah, y'all, this is it. But yeah, y'all, this is it for our little try on haul for our loungewear sets. They are now available, guys, for pre-orders. We already have a shipment coming in, so we will be shipping out them in a timely manner pretty soon. They're making them, you know what I'm saying, or whatever. Y'all know that process or whatever. But if you do want to catch them on sale, like I said in this video, use code YouTube so I know where y'all coming from, so I know where the support coming from. Yeah. So yeah, I'm loving it. Tell me guys what you guys think in the comment section below. If you haven't already, y'all know what to do. Y'all know what to do. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel by now, like, what are you doing, Bookie? Like, what's up? What's up, stinker butt? I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.